Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use IFERROR function in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use IFERROR function in Excel? Well, maybe you are new to Excel or you just have many functions and you want to clear these errors and give it some values. So today I am going to show you how to use IFERROR function in Excel. Okay, we have the item and final total and okay. Now 30 divided 0 give us an error. Okay, let's go to here and press some. Oh no. Let's type F error, double click on it. Okay, and press here, type comma, then 0, that's the value we want. Then close and press enter. Let's go to it and drag it down. Let's see. The error converted to a value. That's easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use IFERROR function in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.